Hi, this is Ali from SureFix, and today we're going to be looking at a Sony with a backlight error. The TV powers on, but the screen is half lit. And as you can see, the indicator light is flashing an error code. So let's take it apart. We're going to start by removing all the components that are in the way of the panel. This is anything that's obstructing our ability to remove the boards and ultimately remove the panel. So once that step is done, we're going to secure the boards to the panel with some tape. Then we're going to take our suction cups to remove the panel. So after we take off the diffuser, we can see the edge-lit backlight design. And what we're going to want to do is just take a hot air gun and just heat up the edge, heat up the backlights, and then we're going to take a spatula and start prying apart the backlights. Take your time when you get to the connector because you don't want to burn it off. And now we can pry off the old strips. And here go the new strips. Now let's put it back together and see how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.